2025 KTM 125 SX, full screen ahead. The 2025 KTM 125 SX is back after a 2-year absence, introducing significant upgrades and features inspired by KTM's factory racing team. This model aims to set new benchmarks in the motocross world with its unparalleled 2-stroke performance, advanced technology, and race-ready design. The US MSRP price is yet to be announced, with pricing for Canada and Europe also pending. Unmatched 2-stroke performance. The 2025 KTM SX lineup boasts an extensive range of 2-stroke models, from the potent 50 cubic centimeters mini crossers to the powerful KTM 300 SX. The 125 SX specifically stands out for its lightweight chassis and competitive attitude, bringing the 150 cubic centimeters designation back to the forefront. Engine and performance enhancements. The new 2025 KTM 125 SX features electronic fuel injection (EFI), eliminating the need for manual jetting and ensuring optimal power delivery at any altitude. The inclusion of a 12.8V lithium-ion battery enables an electric start, making restarts effortless during intense races. The engine also benefits from a selectable map switch, allowing riders to choose between 2 engine maps to suit various track conditions, Map 1 for hard-packed dirt and Map 2 for loose, sandy terrains. Chassis and suspension improvements. Significant updates have been made to the frame, including improved shock mountings, engine mounts with cutouts for better chassis flex, and a reduction in weight by 300 grams. The WP XACT AER fork and WP XACT rear shock feature reworked settings to complement these frame enhancements, offering better weight distribution, stiffness, and response. Ergonomics and design. The 2025 KTM 125 SX includes new tank shrouds with bicompound plastics, improving radiator airflow and cooling. The redesigned fuel tank roll enhances fitment and durability, while the updated air inlet sleeve and snorkel design prevent deformation. The bike's ergonomics have been refined to provide unmatched knee contact and gripping surfaces, especially when standing on the pegs. The new graphics, full orange bodywork, and durable black seat reflect the bike's ready-to race intention. Advanced tire technology. The bike comes standard with Dunlop GEOMAX MX34 tires, featuring a new carcass compound that improves damping and absorption, offering up to 30% longer performance. The progressive cornering block technology enhances traction, grip, and mud dissipation, ensuring stability and control on various terrains. Additional features. The 2025 KTM 125 SX includes several noteworthy features, such as Factory Performance Kit. This kit includes upgraded engine parts, a factory expansion chamber, and special engine mapping, increasing horsepower by 2.5 horsepower while reducing weight by 15%. EFI plus power valve. These components ensure smoother power delivery and better traction. Connectivity unit off-road, CUO, available as KTM power parts for the SXF lineup. This unit provides various functionalities via the KTM Connect app, offering riders enhanced control and customization. Features and benefits. The 2025 KTM 125 SX is designed to deliver top-tier performance and rider comfort, ensuring consistent lap times and a competitive edge on the track. Suspension and handling. The bike's suspension system offers easy, tool-free adjustments. The rear shock features a hand-adjustable dual compression control for quick settings changes, while the front forks have hand-adjustable clickers for compression and rebound. Stability and durability. An upgraded rear brake pedal adds stiffness and resistance to bending. The precise geometry of the forged steering head connection and CNC milled triple clamps ensures highly responsive and stable fork action. The new chain guide and guard improve durability and minimize dirt buildup. Enhanced rider comfort. The frame acts as a shock absorber, reducing rider fatigue over long races. Improved shock geometry enhances ground clearance, making the bike less susceptible to bottoming out. The updated foot pegs are less likely to hook on deep ruts, further enhancing rider control. The 2025 KTM 125 SX embodies the spirit of motocross with its advanced technology, superior performance, and race-ready features. With significant updates in engine performance, chassis design, and rider ergonomics, this model is poised to dominate its class and deliver an unmatched riding experience. Pricing details for the US, Canada, and Europe are yet to be announced.